Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2015 Toyota Crown Smart Key.
What we need to prepare for is K518 Pro, an OBD communication cable, and SIMO antenna, an LT20 smart key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose special function. Key settings. Select LT20 smart key. Select convert smart key type. This function requires internet connection. Click OK. Put the smart key to be generated into the card slot. Click OK. Select the key type to generate and click OK. Generate a key type. Select the menu of 2110. OK. Select 314.35, 315.10 frequency. OK. Please set the key button according to the original car key. OK. Generated successfully. No need to continue generating. Click Cancel. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Select Toyota. Select from type. All smart key lost. Select type 1. A to type. Back up the data. Click OK according to the prompts. Please enter the name of the file you want to save. Click OK. OK. Data backup complete. OK. Data backup is complete. Please go to Generate Emergency Key. Click OK. Select Generate Emergency Key. Connect SIMO antenna. Put the antenna top into the card slot. Click OK. Select the data that has just been backed up. Click OK. OK. Emergency key generated successfully. Please turn on the ignition switch with the emergency key. Then enter the Add Smart Key. Click OK. Operation according to the prompt. Click OK when done. Select Add Smart Key. Please make sure the smart key battery is fully. Low battery will cause the programming failure. Click OK. Please place the antenna close to the ignition switch until the ignition switch is on. OK. OK. Hold the registered keys back closer to start button. Please put back of the key within 30 seconds, close to car start button. 2 buzzers. Remove the key from the start button. Operation complete. OK. Turn off the ignition. Check if the key can be used normally. OK. Let's see if the key works. Step on the brake and press the start button. Started the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control normally locks the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal. Let's try the remote control lift window function.
We have programmed the smart key for 2015 Toyota Crown. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.